Create an address file in Microsoft Excel. Row 1 for the headings. Save the file. Close Excel. Open Word and go to Mailings tab. Click Start Mail Merge. Labels. Click on Label Options. Choose from the list. Click OK. Click on Select Recipients. Use an existing list. Browse and select the file. A dialog box will open. Click OK. Click Edit Recipients. All should be selected by default. You can refine recipient list. Click OK. Insert Merge field. Click on them in the order they will appear on the label. If everything is where you want it, click on Update Labels. You should see the fields copied to all labels. Click Preview Results. If you are satisfied, click Finish and Merge. Select Edit Individual Documents. Merge Records, All. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.